Hello guys, today we're going to be opening walkie-talkie. Oh
what
my
you have inside?
baby.
You have a cute walkie-talkie here.
Cute walkie-talkie.
Two of them.
Mom, it's not. Oh, it's cute. Okay, okay.
Look how cute this is.
Look how cute that is. Wow. Wow. Okay.
These are the chargers.
Yeah.
Comes with
Charger.
chargers,
Two walkie-talkies.
lanyards, and its charging port is micro SD or your SD card. Since this is also a speaker, you can do that. So it's very multifunctional, right?
Yeah. It's very fun.
These are the buttons.
What is it, Mom? Okay, we're talking.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Mom.
If you want to talk, press the center button.
Hi, Mom.
I hear you loud and clear.
Cringe.
Roger. This is Mommy calling Indy.
Hi, I can hear you. I think you're in the kitchen.
I told you if you want to speak, you have to press the button and release it after.
Okay, I got that.
Does this sound good or what?
It's amazing. Wow, handsome.
This is so cool, baby.
Yeah, I feel like crying.
Okay, what else do you want to say in the vlog?
I love you. Bye, vlog.